Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Andi Mustika, NIM Hanum 1790302, English Education Class A 2019, and now I am semester 5. Okay, here I will review the ESP material and what I have learning from ESP lesson for the past few texts and teach the mid-text for English specific purpose course that is powered by the lecturer Mr. Adi Isma SPD MPD. So ESP or English specific purpose is approach in the teaching and use of English for special fields and studies that are in accordance with the needs of the fields of science and professions that use the English language. Okay, there are several materials studied during this course. Among them, the first material is the origin of ESP. The origin of ESP, like most human development, is not applied at converse movement, but I reading that grey out of a number of convergent trends after the end of the 20th World War in 1945 make an era of great and appreciation in the nature of technical and economics activities on international scale. The export was a unfulfilled war and dominated by power and technology. The origin of ESPR made of three main reasons. Number one, the demands of the world challenge. The demands of the world challenge that occurred because of the exchange of goods and service after the World War. And number two, change in linguistic. The change in linguistic is that traditionally the aim of linguistic is to describe the rules of use English, namely grammar. And number three, focus on learning. The focus on learning is that students have different need and ability with will have an important effect on their motivation to learn a language and its effectiveness. Okay, and next, the second material is about development of ESP. In the 1916, ESP has gone through three main phases, and now phases 4 and 5 have begun to develop. The first phase is register analysis to produce a syllabus that prioritizes the form of language that will be encountered. The second, rhetorical or discourse analysis, focus on the sentence level. Then third, development of ESP is target situation analysis, the study of need in communication, function, structural. The four phases of development of ESP is the control approach skill with its interpret strategy that dominates and allows students to successfully deal with surface form. And finally, the learning contract approach at this stage is based on understanding of the language learning process. Next, the third material of ESP about language description of describing language. Okay, there are six main stages of language development. And number one, classical or traditional grammar. That is the description of English and other language is based on the grammar of classical Greek and Latin. Every word in a language sentence is explained in this way because classical language is basic language where the language function of each word will change according to the subject. And number two, structural language. That is in the description of the language structure, it described in the form of systematic structure that covers the basic proposition or statement, integrative, negative, imperative. And number three, generative transformational grammar atau TG. Namely, Chomsky said the test problem arises because language is being analyzed and is not described several from talk and view that produce different points of view. Number 4, language variation and analysis. Namely, since language as part of the overall communication, it is clear that language uses so considerable variation in all action of communication, it is clear that the use of English consists of number of factors that depend on strong concept. Number 5. Functional of national grammar. The functional view of language began to have influence on language teaching in the 1915 and 6 longer for results of the effort the conclave of Europe to establish some kind of equivalence in the syllabus for the study of various language. And number 6, describe analysis atau rhetoric. Describe analysis in logical development of the view or national language, which has known that meaning is more than just word in the sentence. Furthermore, the material to theories of learning is about learning theories. The development of learning theories has followed a similar pattern to the of language description, and each has different effect. But if one wants to see the importance of each for language teaching, it is best to consider the theories relation language and learning several. The several stage of language development is theory of learning. And number 1, behaviorist, namely learning as habit formation. And number 2, mentalist, is thinking as a set of rules. And number 3, cognitive code, student as thinking creatures. Number 4, activities factor, student as emotional beings. Number 5, learning and acquisition, namely learning is seen as conscious process while acquisition take place unconsciously. And the next material is need analysis. Okay, material is need analysis. What this coins ESP formula is not only such need but awareness or needs. Needs analysis in need that is carved out to answer the accurate and suitability of the learning what with the curriculum and situation in which the English language will be in motion. For example, if ESP is carried out in university in certain faculty and department or study program, net analysis methods are carried out through consideration, interviews, observation, and authentic. Okay, course design is one of the needs of the target may be reading the subject in certain subject. Number 1, learningness use or ESP course analog as experience. What we have done is considered the starting point, the break of the fake and purpose or need. And number 2, analysis need. The system for me by learning net, and we need to follow the need of students. And the last material in approach to a course design. Okay, the course design is the process by which that about learning needs are interpreted to product and integrate set of teaching and learning experiences who main purpose is to bring the learner to particular states of knowledge. Number 1, language centered course design is the simple and most familiar type of special design process for English teacher. And number 2, skill-centered course design. The skill-centered approach of ESP has been widely applied in a number of countries, especially in Latin America, based on 2 basic principles. Number 1, hypothesis of basic theory, and B, pragmatic basic. And number 3, a learning concept approach. As teacher, we can influence what we teach, but what students learning is determined by the student themselves. And I think, thank you. There are some review about material about ESP material. I'm Andi Mustika. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.